Very well. Sorry for delayed. I got stuck in some really important work, so I have to launch this very late. Because the news is really interesting, that's why I took the effort to actually come up with an episode today. So let's just jump into it. I'm not going to waste your, mine, or anyone's time. So here we go. The big news. So Reece Nelson has put his London home for sale. Arsenal forward's contract is set to expire next summer, according to Mansion Global. Now it's an uber private London home. The Georgian style brick mansion is one of the 5 detached houses in the gated development in London's leafy Hadley Wood. If you want to buy, £3 million is the price tag. £3 million is what it costs. Very, very impressive. So completed in 2008, the home has been owned for the past 2 years by Reece Nelson. And you could actually it's actually 4,738 square foot house, has 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms spread over 3 levels, has a lot of amenities. So go into this website, just like magicbricks.com. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. But as an Arsenal fan, what you want to take from this? Looks like he's leaving. Reece Nelson is leaving. Talking more about it. So James Benge is actually coming. He says that important piece of info on Reece Nelson. His contract expires in 2022. Arsenal do not have an option, as was reported at the time. It does not run until 2023, as is suggested on websites like Transfer Market. There is no contract extension. Only 2022 it runs off. So next summer, Reece Nelson will be a free agent. Extension offer is on the table, as reported yesterday. So he'll either be staying or going, but for now he's put up his house for sale. So even Fabrizio Romano says that Arsenal have offered Reece Nelson a new contract until 2024 to send him on loan immediately. Nelson has not yet accepted, as yet he's looking for other options. Already I think mentioned before. So yeah, Reece Nelson. Reece Nelson he's going to decide on his future soon. Moving on, so let's talk about Nuno Tavares. This is the image that has been shared by his agent. So Nuno Tavares, together with his agents, after paperwork signed as new Arsenal player, contract until June 2026, 8 million plus add-ons to Benfica confirmed. So he signed a new deal. Nuno Tavares is an Arsenal player, baby. Yep. Oh my God, here's the big one. Do you think I'm joking? I'll do a checkmate on you. So PSG are yet to table a formal offer for Sergio Ramos, but interest has been acknowledged and discussions between the relevant parties are set to continue. Goal is unable to verify whether there have been any inquiries from Stamford Bridge or not. But here's the real deal. I don't know if I was supposed to tell you this or not, but yeah, I think I should. Sergio Ramos is in talks with PSG regarding a move to France, but Goal has learned no deal has been done, and Arsenal have asked to kept updated regarding any future talks regarding the former Real Madrid captain. Well, it's coming from Ruben Uria, sorry. So what does he have to say? I mean, the official tweet of Ruben Uria, yeah, I think it was somewhere here that I forgot to. Yeah, here it is. He says, nothing is closed yet. There is also interest of Arsenal in Sergio Ramos. Would you take Sergio Ramos at Arsenal? Let me know in the comments. I would. Moving on, so Hector Bellerin is Inter Milan's top target, and they believe a deal worth around 20 million euros would be enough. Question is, do Inter Milan have the money? Failing that, if not, they will move on to Zappacosta. That's according to Tony Juan Marti. So yeah, Tony Juan Marti, who writes for Diario Sport, he believes in that news. So let me know in the comments. Sergio Ramos to Arsenal. What do you think? What do you think, man? I want to know. I want your comments, man. I really want your comments about it. Moving on. So Rob Holding. Yeah, Rob Holding shares the image on Instagram stories, voicing his opinion for Remo Freuler's red card. for Switzerland against Spain. Red card. He says you can't even tackle anymore. Game's gone. So yes, that's what a defender feels. So I get what he's trying to say. Moving on, so Switzerland captain and Arsenal midfielder Granit Xhaka suspended for his nation's quarter-final clash with Spain, watching on from the stands in St. Petersburg, but is quite heroic enough. He's the leader that they want, and he's actually, it went to extra time and he did the team talk despite this. So Granit Xhaka, I don't have anything to say, man. Very, very fragile topic to talk on. Moving on, the French Federation have updated their squad for the Tokyo Olympics this summer. Arsenal defender William Saliba has been removed and will not feature in the Olympics. Well, not only him, a lot of players were, I mean, their clubs from France were literally agitated. How did the players were even named in that? So that's what they did. They got rid of their players. Now, if Arsenal have made sure that Saliba is not going in at the Olympics, this clearly tells me that he is not going anywhere. He's a part of the preseason, so he's not going anywhere. Great news. That's the great news that I would want to say. Yep, that's the great news I should say. Moving on, so Gabriel Martinelli shared this on his Instagram stories 2 years ago. One of the best day of his life, he says. So in the comments, do you think what does the future hold for Gabriel Martinelli according to you guys? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? What do you guys really think? Gabriel Martinelli next season, will he be a rock star? Well, after being on the sidelines, I'm expecting him to really be a rock star, man, soon. Moving on, so Matt Smith is set for another loan spell. The young Arsenal midfielder is close to moving to Doncaster Rovers. Well, okay, so here we go. The new France squad for Olympics revealed. So here are the players that actually pulled out of the Olympics squad. William Saliba, Amin Gouiri from Nice, Malang Sarr, Chelsea, Eduardo Camavinga, Rennes, and Maxence Caqueret Lyon amongst those withdrawn. More follows. This is according to Get French Football News. So great. So Ian Wright has something to say on Granit Xhaka. He says, seeing him play that well against France and knowing what we need at Arsenal, it's a shame we never got performance like that for whatever reason. It's a shame. And according to Ebola Apt, they say that Brighton made a last-ditch attempt to snatch Nuno Tavares from under Arsenal's noses. Did not happen. And Gazzetta dello Sport say that Hector Bellerin is Inter's priority to replace Hakimi, and the club will do everything that they can to sign him. Cool. We're waiting for a bid. Come and get your man. Simple as that. Come and get your man. The man is waiting. Come and get him, man. If you want him that desperately, get your man. Simple as that. According to Bruno Andrade, he says that Nuno Tavares leaves in moments for London. Arsenal will pay 8 million euros to Benfica with the possibility of more, another 2 million euros depending on goals. 21-year-old Portuguese left back has signed a 4-season contract with one more season to choose from. It's probably a contract extension if Arsenal believe that they can activate a clause which is a year extension as well. That also came from other sources as well. And he was spotted at the airport in Portugal departing to London as well. So he's an Arsenal player. Simple. Simple as that. As we speak. And here's another big update on why do you think that Xhaka to Roma is done deal? Where it's pretty much simple. Here's the proof. So Jose Mourinho posted this image of him arriving at Rome. See who liked it. Granit Xhaka has liked that. My God. Yes, I'm sorry. We are living in 2021 and we have to report things as it is. And these small things are found by Arsenal fans only. And when they do, they make sure that you actually believe in them, because yeah, these small things are actually mattering because of the mentality of the players, that what it has become. So with this, I'd like to end this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. Did not enjoy, have a complaint with me and you say this guy is a cheat, dislike. let me know, at least that, let me know that you dislike my content by disliking it, and comment and let me know. Sergio Ramos to Arsenal, do you believe in that? Yeah. Cheers, I'll see you in the next one. Good night.